Heyo guys, what's up? This is Kunal Singh aka STG here, man, after a long while. I know that. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you can earn legit money using this app called AttaPoll, and I'm doing it with proof today. So you get surveys in this app. As you could see, I have $4.31 here in this. What you do is you complete surveys and then you get rewarded for them, and later on you could cash those out in your PayPal. And that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna show you how you can easily earn money through this app and can withdraw it in your PayPal. You gotta have a bank account and PayPal though for this. So yeah, it's loading right here. As you could see, I've got my $4.31 as my balance here. I'm gonna put my PayPal email in there, and as soon as I'm gonna do that, I'll request the payment and then it will be transferred in my PayPal wallet or app, and then it will be withdrawn in my bank. I'm gonna put my PayPal email there in which I'm gonna get this payment. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do this real quick. Yeah, so we're gonna request the payment now. We're gonna request the payment now real quick. The payment has been processed like it's saying down there, and yeah, I already took $5.10 in the past from it, so you know it's legit. You could see it's legit. It really is, man, I'm telling you. And you can earn a lot more money from this app using my referral code there, which you could see on your screen right now. Use this while creating an account for this app, and you can get a lot of surveys after using this referral code of mine. So yeah, do remember to use it before creating an account. So here's the payment proof. I'm gonna show you the payment proof now in my PayPal. As you could see, there we got our $4.31 available there, and as you could see, I've received my payment from AttaPoll Limited, and it's of 4.31 USD. Yeah, don't forget to like this video, man, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram if you can, so you could see what I'm up to, because I'm very active there. So yeah, this was this video about. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, this app legit works, man. Do try it, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.